Retirement accounts such as 401ks and IRAs offer tax incentives for saving for retirement. A 10% early withdrawal penalty will likely be applied if you withdraw funds before 59.5. Here are 10 ways to avoid the penalty. 1. Leave the funds in the account until you reach age 59.5. 2. Take substantially equal periodic payments. 3. Use the money for qualified education expenses. 4. Use the funds for a first-time home purchase. 5. Use the money for medical expenses exceeding 10% of your adjusted gross income. 6. Use the funds if you become disabled or are ordered to by a court. 7. Use the funds if you're a qualified reservist. 8. Roll over the money into another retirement account. 9. Use the money for a qualified disaster distribution. 10. Use the funds to pay healthcare premiums while unemployed. Remember to consult with a financial advisor to determine the best option for your situation.